Dear Georgie, sending you another postcard from my travels around Merton. Hope you enjoy this one as well. With love, Doreen.
So the first print is the windmill in Wimbledon Common, and it's a very interesting museum. And that's my first impression of Wimbledon Common. So after I moved into Wimbledon 6 years ago.
Every time I go to the common, it's all about looking at the leaves and enjoying the different colors, textures, and collecting leaves.
I made a little robin on the branch because during the winter when we go up to the common, I see loads of robins everywhere and I think they're very cute.
I've also drawn a squirrel, another animal that I really like, and it's very funny seeing them buried at acorns.
So I stamped some lovely swans and their signets, because when we come to the common we see them and we bring the food.
I made a dog, which I love, but as a volunteer, it's important that they are leashed to protect the wildlife in the common.
Today I learnt that Merton has a really rich history in mint and lavender farming, which I never knew before. And thinking about the mint reminded me of the mint that my parents grow right in front of our front door, and how every summer they like to drink lots of mint tea.
Actually, I just visited a lavender farm last weekend, and then my impression, apart from the lavender, was that there were a lot of bees. So seeing a bee always reminds me of lavender.
So what have you made over here?
Okay, so it represents the Wandle River, and the dog is our dog, who we take for a walk up to Carshalton where the current fields are, and the fact that the lavender that was grown close by would quite possibly be milled in the mills after it's been harvested.
To speak to the Wandle.
Yes.
I'm very aware of the history of the Wandle and how the environment around it has improved recently, and I've tried to include the wildlife that we see, which are the herons and the fish.
When I think of Merton, I think of all the 131 from Kingston to Wimbledon that I'd always be getting, and you know, what local wildlife do we have? We have pigeons, rats, foxes and squirrels.
Perfect. And roughly how long have you lived in Merton?
About 55 years.
Right. My name's Anne. I've lived in Merton a long time. My message to Merton is, don't grow old, keep your beautiful green spaces and blue rivers, be happy. Anne of Green Towers.
And my message to Merton is, dear Merton, stay beautiful and flow smoothly like the River Wandle.